Hello, wonderful people, viewers, and subscribers all over the world. It's been a while now. I've been on this issue to conscientize our people, to open up their eyes to see that they are the victims of Nigeria. And it seems the too much grammar is not penetrating. There's this guy I want you to listen to. Don't just listen to him. I want you to make sure that everyone that is connected to you watch and listen to this young man. Honestly speaking, no one will say it better. I'll be right back.
Alright, to those of una be say, una don vow, say it is either una die or una kill person for this forthcoming Edo State gubernatorial election. Now I want to talk to this morning. I beg una muna pay attention to it. I want tell una so. I know say una not the hear word or any kagban you were honor, but muna still listen. Try listen. Before Oshomole contest governorship for Edo State, he was based in Lagos. He no dey Benin, he no dey anywhere for Edo State. Now Lagos they live in life, everything. Now politics bring am come Edo State. He do 8 years finish. Now he also for APC national chairmanship. Now he move go Abuja go day. He leave the Edo. Not until recently where he lose the APC national chairmanship position. And because of the election they want to do for Edo State now. If I no come back to Edo State. I'm not sure say any of Oshomole pikin dey Edo State. I'm not sure say that a foreign breed wife dey Edo State. Before Obaseki could do politics for Edo State, he has lived all his life, had all his establishment and his house in Lagos. He don't even sabi speak one single Edo language. You know the reason Edo State and politics that bring am come. Pastor Alhaji Ize-Iyamu, all his life since he graduated, he never hustled for private sector. He never know how to do business, gather money on his own. Now Edo State government be farm. Everything we get for life today, now Edo State government, now give him. If today, say Obaseki lose this election, he go hang his bag, he go back to Lagos. If he win, if he rule 4 years finish, it is either he go contest as a senator, he go Abuja go rest, or he go hang his bag, he go back to the same Lagos. Pastor Ize-Iyamu, if he win today, if he do it 4 years or 8 years finish, he go contest as senator, he go Abuja, go relax. Then you wey call yourself youth, you dey the Benin there. The only thing wey don't make you travel come up for Benin, na burial where you go attend. All your life also in a Benin there. Your mama, your papa, everybody dey Benin there. You carry gun now, won't kill your fellow youth where they say Benin, they suffer, they hustle with you. Where be say mama and papa, all of the day Benin there. They're not even they see Gary to make a bad shop. All because they want politician empower you, give you gun, make you go kill. I want to ask you one question. Politician will give you gun, make you kill your fellow youth because they won't become governor or you won't enter any public office. You sure say that politician like you. You just say get your interest at heart. These politicians, they tell us say they never get children where big rich or shoot gun. You they see their children they campaign, all their children they abroad, they enjoy the good things of life. Una dey here. By the time they don't do finish, they don't go back to where they from come. You go see they see that your brother, that your sister, that your papa, that your mama, where you don't insult, where you don't ridicule, where you don't harm, where you don't maim in the name of politics. Why not go use una sense? Sense. Una akarat.
When I hear him, Abi, when I hear him from the young man, he broke it down. He don't bring him down. So you no go talk say you no understand grammar. This one no be say I no understand grammar. As he talk and so, now so he be. Nothing to add to it, nothing to remove from it. Now it is left for you to make your choice. You have to choose whether to live for something or die for nothing. Because these men, when you die, their children will continue benefiting from your stupidity. Yes. If you get brother, if you get sister, if you get anyone that is associating themselves with this political class, just like you heard this young man say, ask them to start retreating. There is no way there. They are warming up in Edo State. They are warming up in Anambra State. They are warming up in various places. But they are not putting so much energy in reopening your schools. They are not putting the same energy when they say they put for their campaign and election. You know, they put them to ensure that your hospitals are working. They know they try make sure say they create policies to empower you, the youths. Don't be say to give you keke na pepe. And when they get into office, they will ban keke na pepe. They will ban Okada. Yet they use it to empower you. Which can useless empowerment? You go empower an engineer, a graduate of engineer, with a keke na pepe. When I see him, when I see your life, yet you go and recycle these people because they are giving you 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira. You go and die for nothing. My dear, let me tell you, nobody is coming to save you. You have to save yourself. You see, I always advise my listeners and viewers all over the world that I've got to understand that animals are more organized than humans. Especially the kind of human being we have in Nigeria today. You know, I keep telling you that Nigeria is not a zoo. That Nigeria is an animal kingdom. The wild animal kingdom where no rules apply. It is either you eat or get eaten. Then if you want to learn how to survive in the wild like Nigeria, go and learn from the animals to understand how they survive in the wild. Watch it closely. They are always organized, especially those ones that goes in herds. They do that to protect themselves, to reduce the casualties, the loss of life to predatory animals. And whenever they are threatened, they organize themselves and confront their enemies. They always have their way. Then why is it that human being for Nigeria no understand this common natural principle that when the people are organized, nothing can stop them. There is nothing they cannot achieve. Men, we have spoken too much. It's because we have the passion to liberate our people. But you cannot liberate someone who is determined to die in misery and under slavery. The only thing you can help us do is to share this video. The way entertainment videos go viral, let these voices go viral. This is the hope of Africa. This is the hope for my people. I'm signing out. If you're new on this platform, keep liking, keep sharing, keep dropping your comment. We keep bringing it to you undiluted. Anywhere we see it, we say it. Thank you so much. Whoever is that guy, go and listen more from him. And there are other pockets of other people doing the same. Voices are rising. Let the people queue in and liberate themselves.